perfect way to get rid of hiccups. I don't think I have them anymore. Yep, here you go. See, hiccups. Okay, I got testimony hiccups. One more. Yep, one more. Alright. Now, the way to get rid of hiccups, guaranteed, every time. You just drink a glass of water. Okay? You drink a glass of water from this side, not this side. What do you say? Well, Mr. Rash, how do you drink water from this side and not from this side? Well, I tell him it's not like this. That don't get very far. So, we gotta go somewhere else. Hold on. Not that. So, if we want to get rid of hiccups, and you want to drink water from this side, not this side, guaranteed cure hiccups. Ta-da! Hiccups are cured. Wait a minute. Pretend the hiccups are cured. Pretend the hiccups are cured. And more hiccups. More hiccups. Hiccups are cured. You gotta drink from the right side of the cup. You drink from the wrong side of the cup, it don't cure hiccups. You drink from the right side of the cup, it cures hiccups. Now you get. That's